Sabi ni Vice President Binay sa inyo kayo raw ang attack dog ni Mar Rojas sa DILG, and he is the one that sicked you on Binay. What is the truth behind this?
Maring Winnie, for the record, hindi ako kakilala ni Secretary Mar. There is no occasion, and I'm confident in saying so. There's no occasion na nagkasama kaming dalawa. Ang biro ko nga, hindi ko pa naaamoy kung anong pabango niya eh. Let me just state for the record, I'm thankful to the President. Why? Because I believe that I will never be appointed in any other administration. Remember, I applied as commissioner during the previous administration. Never got the chance. Second, took me 3 years and how many months before I got confirmed.
I know.
And he could have given up. Makonfirm man ako o hindi problema yan. As long as nagawa ko, yung dapat kong gawin.
Ano kaya ang sasabihin ni Vice President Binay? Na-congratulate na ba kayo niya?
Ever since hindi siya nag-congratulate. Kahit nung na-appoint ako as commissioner, lahat ng members pinapadalhan niya ng congratulatory note. Ako hindi.
Ngayon, itong October na ito, linabas na ng COA yung final report with respect to the overpricing sa Makati City Hall, Building 2.
Ang alam ko po, nag-schedule pa lang ng exit conference. Wala pa pong inilalabas.
Nabasa niyo na ba?
To be honest, hindi ho ako sumali doon.
Bakit hindi kayo sumali?
Dahil kung sasali po ako, makukulayan yung report na, si Mendoza ang may gawa niyan, wala yung objectivity kasi galit siya sa amin. So in respect to the people doing the audit, in respect and out of my love for the commission, ako po mismo ang nagsabi kay Chair Tan pa noon, I do not want to have anything to do with any investigation involving the Makati case.